Hi, good day, sir. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Good,
How are
thank
you?
you. Dylan
Good.
Stein, My Safety Hub here. Tell us, who are you, what is your company, and what is your product?
Okay, we are typical product supplies. We are based here in Joburg.
Okay.
And our main business is safety barriers. We are a distributor for ASF, which is a UK manufacturing company. They manufacture these barriers, and these are polymer barriers.
Okay.
And they are used in warehouses, they are used in manufacturing places, and they are there to replace your conventional steel barriers that you see.
All right,
in
so they are a lot more flexible, I suppose,
yes,
as opposed to the steel barriers.
Exactly. Right? When you impact on this barrier, most of that impact is absorbed within that structure, and only maybe 20% is directed towards the floor.
Fantastic. So if a forklift bumps into this, it won't bend or break like a conventional
won't bend at
steel
all,
one.
and you will not rip
Fantastic.
your bolts out of the floor.
That's another important factor. So this is quite great.
Yeah.
What else do you guys do here?
We also do your clean factory products. So when you've got a sensitive environment where you don't want dirty to come into your factory, we lay this at the entrance.
Okay.
So this forklifts will drive over this.
Okay.
And at the end of the day, then because they are these bristles, they will be vibrating and cleaning your wheels as they are rotating over.
Okay.
So when your forklift goes inside, it's sparkling clean. So
great. So if you are a more sensitive environment, such as an abattoir or a food processing plant, this would become a necessity for forklifts per se. Because you say the bristles vibrate to clean.
They vibrate to clean your wheels as they are rotating over it.
Fantastic. And tell me, where can the viewers get a hold of your company?
We are in Veltevreden Park.
Veltevreden Park.
Veltevreden Park at number 6. Adamson Crescent, Veltevreden Park.
Fantastic. And do you have a website the viewers can go and visit?
www.typicalproduct.co.za.
So www.typicalproducts.co.za.
Yes.
Fantastic. Yes. Julius, thank you very much for your time today.
Thank you very, very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.